What you doing?
Oh, I noticed you guys got this new truck in, and I wanted to show you guys some of the new exhausts that came out for it.
This is a brand new machine. There's no exhaust for this.
No. The Mbrp guys just came out with some new systems, and I was going to show you guys, but I can't get this computer to work, man.
Oh, you didn't plug into HDMI for it. How's that?
Yeah, it looks like it did.
Oh, they do have an exhaust. Sweet! Alright, so we're back with another Mbrp unbox. We've got Jared back in the house as well. And I was wrong, especially with Mbrp, there's always the right exhaust for that machine, no matter how new it is.
Absolutely.
You want to tell us what we got here, Ben?
Well, we have an all-new catback system for your late model GM 1500 pickup. Today this is actually for the 6.2 truck, which we have here. Yep. And we're going to kind of change that factory look. If you guys kind of want to get rid of that HDMI look. Yeah.
So if you guys want to cut to the before sound, what this thing sounds like, it's pretty uneventful.
But now let's get into the good stuff.
Yeah.
So let's bolt this baby on. We'll kind of walk through the system, talk to you a little bit about the material grades, different options for the truck. And let's fire it up.
Oh, I'm excited. Well, let's hit up that unboxing. Wow! Ooh. Look at that.
Nice foam packaging, so it's secure, whether you're shipping it, you know, down here to JRP from our shop up in Huntsville, or it's going across Canada. You know, your system's going to get there undamaged and in one piece.
Yeah,
too.
you
so
guys
take that extra love.
You guys really put the effort in there for the packaging. That's really cool to see. Bubble wrap. Ooh. I'm already distracted by the carbon fiber tip. What we got there?
All right, so single in, dual out muffler, all 304 stainless too. So you nice TIG welds and everything on the end there too. So really going to last for the life of the vehicle, and to give you that nice Mbrp sound.
Oh, and the finish is really nice too. And this is the 604?
304.
This is the 304.
So that is the best material grade you're going to get. So
right, okay.
Obviously with the carbon fiber tips, you want to make sure that the system is equally up to that caliber.
Right.
So this comes back with the lifetime warranty as well too on 304 stainless. So, you know, we got you 110%.
Cool. So this is like the highest trim you guys have.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the best of the best.
You can tell. It looks amazing. Let's see what else is in here.
Bolt pack.
That rolls off the table.
Lamps and everything. Got your front pipe. It's clean. Right, we could probably just take the box and take it off the table and set all these up.
Let's just magically let this unbox itself. Bam! There we go.
There she is, man. All unboxed, ready to be installed.
Hell yeah, dude.
So, just to kind of go over the system a little bit too. Obviously, we got our muffler tips ready to go. You know, it's just different parts of the system and stuff like that as well. As we talked, this is a 304 stainless kit, so it is going to look good for the life of the vehicle too. Just a little bit more of a maintenance side of things. You know, if you want to kind of make sure you keep your tips clean, use a sponge and some soap to kind of keep the carbon fiber good. Right. You can also use like metal polish or something like that to keep the stainless looking as new as it can as well. So. Yeah,
very cool.
Just general maintenance. So
that's so it's pretty much just when you clean your car, just give the tips a little wash. But all this stuff is for the life of the vehicle.
Absolutely, yeah. Being 304 stainless for sure too. So just to kind of recap some of our other material grades we offer, you know, aluminized as well. Great entry level system that comes with a 3-year warranty. 409 stainless, which is again is a mild stainless that does come with a limited lifetime warranty, and then our best of the best here, 304 stainless.
Gotcha.
So.
And what kind of options do we have for this machine? I know for the F-150 there were like, you know, side exit, you know, rear exit split. Like, what else are the options for this?
For sure. So this one specifically, because it has the factory duals, we really have 3 different options for this. One, you can do a muffler bypass. All right. 2, you can also do a catback system that'll exit into the factory bezels, which you know, I think is a certain look for everybody. Or if you want to go up to the premium system, this is the one we're doing here today.
Awesome.
For sure. And, you know, but we either have, you know, if your truck doesn't come with factory duals, you can have a single exit. You can have dual out the side as well, too.
Okay.
But again, all to really kind of go for your choice. So there's lots of options, again, from Mbrp.
Very cool. All right, so I guess without further ado, let's get into the install.
Let's do it.
All right.
Cool, man. Well, we got the system on. What do you think?
Looks really good. So right away, so this is the most high-end system we've done together.
That's correct.
And you can really tell. So we went from like the entry level on the first F-150, still the mid-range on Razor Ramon's truck.
Yeah.
And now we got pretty much the Bugatti of MBRPs right here.
Bugatti, that's a good way to put it.
Yeah, it's the Bugatti of MBRP.
Yeah, love it for sure. And, just to kind of give you a quick overview of the system, obviously, again, as we mentioned, it is our 304 stainless kit, so it's going to look good for the life of the vehicle as well, too, and backed by our lifetime warranty. But obviously, just after the cat, it's going to pick it up into our 3-inch tubing, into our high-flow muffler, single in, dual out, so up over the axle, and then it's going to exit into those killer quad carbon fiber tips. Really kind of makes it pop at the back end, and I think it obviously goes with the quality of the truck. So into our high flow muffler, single in, dual out, kind of up over the axle. You know, notice all our clearances and everything like that. It's good around the factory or spare tire and stuff like that too. Not going to touch on the frame, you know, so you're not going to get any rattling or anything like that in the cab. You know, so our guys have really taken the extra step through 3D scanning to make sure that clearances are met. You know, it's going to be an easy install, and then exiting into these killer carbon fiber tips that we're really excited to get on the new GM trucks.
Right on. And since this is a 304 unit, so this is good for the lifetime of the vehicle, and all they gotta do really is maintain their tips with, you know, just wash them, keep them clean.
For sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so for the carbon and stuff like that, use like, you know, hot soapy water from time to time, especially with our Canadian winters are pretty harsh on stuff, so that'll keep it looking good. And then any of the stainless steel, you can always use like a metal polish or something to really make that look good. But yeah, really excited how this kit came out. Obviously, it kind of fits that factory bezel gap and stuff like that really well, so it makes it look really good. So yeah, sounds good, looks good. Let's get it on the ground and we'll fire it up.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it. All right, here we go, friends. Alright, everybody, well, thanks for checking out another episode of JRP Unboxed with our special guest, Jared from Mbrp, as always.
Thanks, everyone.
Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed what you saw, give us a like, and let us know down in the comment what other machines me and Jared should be installing Mbrps on.
I think we're going to have some treats this summer. You know, we got a lot of Mbrp goodies, not just gas truck, muscle car, Euro. I think we're going to get some other install videos coming up soon, so.
Really looking forward to it. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a great day.
Right,
Bye
thanks,
now.
guys. See ya.